New show is the Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. And I'll be hosting that show. We have wonderful judges. And ito yung first time na gagawin na bago sila makapag-perform with the judges, they have to go through the audience first. So malaki ang say ng mga madlang people for the show. And we're gonna find a new boy band here in the Philippines. So that's one. We have Dancing with the Stars, which will start next year, I think. And then I think Your Face sounds familiar ulit. And then Showtime, tuloy pa rin. And from time to time, my next gig will be New York, Asap New York.
So the first one that's coming up is the boy band.
Yeah, the Pinoy Boy Band Superstar.
So tell us about finding the next, heartthrob.
It's gonna be very difficult. Sobrang sa tingin mo mahirapan ng mga tao dito kasi it's not all about the looks. So it's about the charm, it's about the performance after. Tapos may mga special technical aspects din ng mga judges na magagawa rin nila to save a performer from the audience as well. So maraming ganap to eh. This is a new franchise and this is going to be wonderful, I think. It's going to be very exciting. The panel of judges are amazing.
Working with new judges, magkasama na kayo ni Vice ganda. Pero ito ngayon with Sandara.
Ay, kakaiba si Vice when it becomes boy bands. So, hindi na natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa pakaw ni Vice dito. Pero, of course, masaya. May araw-araw kong kausap at kasama si Vice. He's one of the most intelligent human beings I've ever met. Sa buong mundo. He's really driven to be the best at what he does, and he is the best at what he does. So, or she. Yeah, sorry, bestie. Pagalitan pa ako dito. Pero yun yung sa Pinoy Boy Band. Sa talent search na yun, makikita mo ang kakaibang samahan ng mga judges. Kasi it's not like Pilipinas Got Talent, kakaiba talaga to. You're finding individuals to put them as a group. So you have to deal with characters, you have to deal with personalities, including the judges' personalities. Ako siguro sasabihin ko, ang kakampi ko dito ay yung mga kumakanta, ang mga sumasali. Yan ang mga kakampi ko dito. I have to push for them to be the best. So, yeah.
And with Sandara and Yeng din.
Si Yeng.
Parang hindi ka na mahihirapan kasi kasama mo lang.
Oo, si Yeng kasama ko naman sa Tawag na Tanghalan. Isa pa yun, napaka-talented na bata. Parang tanda ko na. Napaka-talented na mga songwriter and such a wonderful person as well. Si Sandara naman, hello, who doesn't know Sandara, ang pambansang krung-krung natin, magbabalik dito to judge at para makakita. Because she comes from a girl group, di ba? So, we have an international aspect at may surprise pa. Isa na paparating na judge.
Pwede na ba natin pangalanan si...
Huwag na lang galing sa akin. Sa Thursday pa nila malalaman. So, kung tumutok lang sila at mababaliw ang mga tao, yun na lang ang sinasabi.
Okay.